Oh, I have to do this. I have to do something about these zucchinis which grows. I need an hour. That is without the exaggeration. So I'm going to stuff them with hazelnuts and basil and garlic. I have done this before with toppings for salmon. So today I'm going to stuff the zucchini with the same stuffing from the salmon.
So
Actually, crust. It wasn't stuffing, crust. So
a light summer vegetarian dish, right?
So I'm just cutting it in half, the zucchini, and I'm going to remove the center in order to accommodate the stuffing. I've done a lot of zucchini, and if only I can show you all in one go, all of my zucchini recipes, which sometimes I don't even want to call it recipes because I just do it as I see them in the garden growing like zucchini. Actually, zucchini doesn't give me the same shape and sizes, so this is a little bit different shape.
I think we should do a big zucchini.
This is my crown. This is actually not zucchini, it's a squash, but Tim picked it before it gets ripe. So different shapes and sizes, like all of us, I guess. Yes, because if you blink in one day, if you don't go to vegetable garden, the next thing you know is they become like this big. And I'm also putting tomatoes in the oven with the zucchini because it's summer. It can never be summer without zucchini and tomato. So this is the stuffing I'm going to use. So it's a hazelnuts again. Instead of breadcrumbs, I don't really like much breadcrumbs, honestly. So about 100 grams there, and 2 cloves of garlic, big one. And I'll process these 2 first. So that's basically it. It's the natural oil from nuts. Look, it's binding. It's no need for putting oil. So I'm putting now the basil, if you like. So this again is 2 handful, 400 grams. So this will do well. And if we need seasoning, we'll do so. Wow, gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm sorry that you cannot smell it. And taste. I'm just going to use my hands to put the stuffing on. I'm comfortable with doing it. If you want, you can use spoon, of course. So just put stuffing on as much. Just stuffed it. Because remember that when it's cooking, it's going to be shrinking the zucchini. So stuff it as much as you like. And we have enough stuffing, so be generous. Sometimes I serve it as a side dish.
Skin it, and I got it on video.
Yes, now it's ready to bake, to cook inside the oven, bake. So I have some, I have some thyme here. It's already been removed from the twigs. So here we are, putting them lining up beautifully, because I'm adding some tomatoes already cut in half here. Let me just put some salt and pepper on the tomatoes. Tomatoes always need salt, always for my taste. So a little bit, and a little bit of olive oil, and use my hand. It's the best equipment in the kitchen, so you better use them. So here we are. Since we're going to the little bit more of olive oil, we can never go wrong for olive oil. And if you have a good bread, use that bread to mop up the goodness from all this flavor in this roasting pan which I'm using actually. So this is going to the oven for 200 degrees for about half an hour. And flatbread. Okay, in we go after half an hour. We have a look. We have a look. And it's done. Half an hour, 200 degrees. I'm going to make flatbread to dip this goodness on the there. The smell is so fantastically delicious. Flatbread with mint and cardamom are just delicious.
Well, thank you, darling. Thank you very much. I thought that you wanted the big one. Okay. So, allora, we are hungry. It is a beautiful day, hot summer's day here in Piedmont. This is a perfect light summer lunch for a hot day, and without ado, we're going to eat. Nothing special from wine, just our regular house wine, our Nace for me, Nebbiolo for Rena, and it's summertime and we miss you all. Please think about coming to Piemonte as soon as you're able to travel. And remember that truffle season is almost on us, and so far Italy has been very good about containing this coronavirus. Ciao, buon appetito.
Ciao.
Do you want to say anything about this one?
Well, for those who have garden, put this on the menu. It's very easy, quick, and we are quick to cook. 5 minutes to prepare. Altogether, 30 minutes with no sweat.
Well, it takes...
And the taste is cold.
Well,
Hey, now I just wanted to tell you that adding balsamic vinegar, the thick balsamic vinegar, is just extra yummy for this particular dish that I just came up with for this particular video. Hope you try this. Thank you.